Understanding Journal Archives in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important topic in English language learning. Understanding the phrase, journal archives. This phrase is commonly used in academic and research contexts, and knowing what it means can really enhance your English comprehension and usage. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning together. Journal archives is a compound noun, consisting of two words, journal and archives. Let's break down each word to understand the phrase better. Journal. In English, a journal typically refers to a publication, often periodical, that contains articles written by experts in a particular field. These journals are key sources of information for students, researchers, and professionals. Archives. The word archives refers to a collection of historical documents or records. In a broader sense, it can also mean a place where these documents are stored. Combining these two words, journal archives refers to a collection or repository of past editions or issues of academic journals. Understanding journal archives is crucial, especially in academic and research settings. Here's why. Resource for research. Journal archives are invaluable resources for researchers, providing access to a wealth of information, studies, and data from the past. Historical insight. They offer historical insights into how a particular field or study has evolved over time. Reference material. For students, these archives serve as essential reference materials for various projects and dissertations. Knowing about journal archives is one thing, but using them effectively is another. Here are some tips. Search efficiently. Learn to use search tools and filters effectively to find relevant articles quickly. Citing sources. Always cite sources properly when using information from journal archives in your work. Broaden your understanding. Use them to gain a broader understanding of your field of study or interest. I hope this video has been informative and helps you better understand and use the phrase, journal archives, in your English language journey. Remember, expanding your vocabulary and comprehension is a continuous process, and phrases like these are stepping stones to greater fluency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.